No words so hard to raise two girls. Gave them love, gave them the whole wide world. She never dreamed the day would come when her own blood would do her wrong. One daughter walked the righteous road, the other carried a jealous soul, smiling in her mother's face while planning to take her mother's place. How could you do your mother's soul, steal the man she loved and never let her know? Now you're carrying his baby, what a painful shame. One family broke and never be the same. Blood should never cause this kind of pain. Now tears keep falling like the pouring rain. Some betrayals cut far too deep, leaving a mother's heart to weep. The good sister cried, this can't be real. No words could explain the hurt they feel. A mother's trust was torn apart by her own daughter's wicked heart.
Girl,
hello?
Come in, I want to tell this man.
Yeah,
Come
Kevin. Sorry.
Me not like how they go on, girl. Me not like it. I do not like it. And you need to tap.
Girl,
You need to
me,
tap.
mommy never tell you, but me tell you. From your barn, the man disappear.
Oh, what?
So if I never me, you would have poor right now. You would have it. And money me make, that's why you're alright.
Oh, so alright, that's
what my friend.
Right. Yeah, what me say? You need to tap. Me not like your style.
Look here now, money me I make. Money me I make.
There. You good?
Yeah, me there.
Come here, go on a mission.
Which mission we go on?
Oi! Abby, no go
No
nowhere.
problem.
Don't go nowhere.
I'm a friend. My best friend.
Don't go nowhere.
Remember, you're 16, I'm 18. She at 18. I'm a friend.
We graduate from school days,
Yes.
right?
She out of picture.
So we can go on a mission now.
Yeah, we are go on mission. Oi, you go stung right here, so I'm here go with her. And I'm going to tell you this. You see, if I come here and move from this, so I'm going to tell mommy what happened. You know, me chat.
You're not here.
You know want me chat, so if you move.
Remember what happened?
Look here, you hear me say, if you move, me go tell mommy, say, try slung this so.
I'm not talking with you. You're not here. And you want to. It's alright.
If I never for me, that's suffer right now.
Come on, I left she alone, you know.
Anyways.
Remember, so we are going to man. So left she
You
alone.
money?
Yeah, money.
You sure my money?
Him have money.
Or anything you say, we are go around there.
I want 40 grand me I go for.
So me I get off it?
Yes.
Oh.
Come.
No words so hard to raise two girls. Gave them love, gave them the whole wide world.
Hello, young lady. What you doing here?
No.
Hey, look, so. Mom, Tia. What we on for your jaw? You look stressed out. You just sit down and say so. You know, free then take you away.
Take away who? I just me born and grow. Around here me come from, where you mean by? You one of them?
One of who?
What take away people here they come talk about you out of order?
Right, Tina, hear me say, man, I want to take a little girl around here, me I wonder what I go on. And you sit down here, so me I say, then we take you away.
Nobody not take me, around here me come.
Yeah, one of them road type there.
So me can't beg you want money. Or you can sponsor me.
Sponsor you want money?
Yeah.
Boy, me know of people that want to ask you to sponsor them one drink. But you don't even know me like that. You ask me for sponsor you money.
Nothing no wrong.
How much money?
About 130 or
What?
what? It too little bit.
30 who?
It too little bit.
Must be mad to write it. Right now your chest too high. This long while me no company road come back one young girl with her chest high so.
You must can't give me.
Mighty God. Boy, you need to do better still. So, what you say that if I can get the drinks, would I get drinks if I want it? I'm telling you no problem, but
I just did something more other day. I just did want money for deal with it. That's why I did a beg you.
oh, you can't roll with me. Good on the road. And
If you can't just buy me something to eat, no problem then.
yeah, man, I can't step. When I come down the street and I buy you something to eat and chill out with a little bit and I see if I deserve to get a piece of food, you know?
Alright, come on.
So, yo, come here. Set the face better, please. You're a young girl. You look sweet. You don't look so bad. And me can't walk down the road with that face. So, if you know you need something, rush from a stranger like me, fit in yourself better, you see it. Or you go down the road and make sure you have a decent, pleasant face. So when we're walking, no time to trace. You understand? You know what I mean?
You just, you know, pay talking. You go buy me.
Listen to me. Again. If you don't want something from people, beggars have no choice. So you relax your nerves and let me talk anything I want to talk. Understand?
Alright, you ready now?
Yeah. Hold on.
Come on.
Alright.
Oh, the banana.
Hot even.
Now
Are you can check?
You know, I can't check. Now, hot sun.
Yeah.
Wait till the sun cool till the night come down. Night time better, you know?
No want the money I know.
No.
Yeah.
I'm on the pump again.
This important, yeah.
200 and who?
50,000.
One mother in a
Look like me have
hospital.
250,000.
One mother in a hospital, we need it.
I'm going to 50.
Yeah. But
Alright, give me. Alright, give me.
You say you can take you 50.
Mm-hmm.
But I walk with so much money for me, though, you know?
You go to the 50?
So we can come up here to rest.
Yeah, yes, most likely I come over the feet, cover the money there.
So come now.
But me right now, I can't bother with every time when you come check me. Me, I go no money now, promise me catches every minute, and promise me that.
Listen now, all if how you live, we walk the mountains.
Yes.
You know, we walk, yes, but me, I defend crutches, no. Every time I promise me, I take my money and I give him no crutches, me, I depend that I know. The who? Three who?
Yeah, come on.
Three some?
Mm-hmm.
You know, run the buff?
Yes.
Yeah, we give you, man.
So, what's fun, so?
So give me 50 first now.
We're not up to nothing.
Buff first and 50 after.
Mm-hmm.
You have to
Buff
give me
first,
money. No,
50
give me
after.
money first.
No, me can't. I cannot take no cannot style no man.
Give me money first.
Now give me pumps.
Yeah, you see if you give me 50 grand, if you not get it buff now, you get it later on.
No.
Alright, so
No money,
no, we have been like, yes, you go to mother in a hospital.
Every time I hear, no, man.
No, remember so.
On hospital time at 3 o'clock.
There are things of mother in a hospital, no?
Yes, at once, we are
Yeah, hurry up.
Oh, the mother there hospital.
Then so then
already
call,
we
we
have-
just
you
to
have
and
the
get the
babes.
call.
You don't know me 1 month, no, me have babes already.
Yeah.
We just get the call, say
No,
we must
babes, you
come
give
with the
me
money.
money.
We just get the call, let me show you.
Clear the hospital call we.
We just get the call.
Just hurry up.
See there? 1201 and a 137 now.
It's like them do some surgery thing or something and what they want, then say they want the money. Yes, so we have to get collect the money and then after we have to come up.
Me do things quick and fast. So me I give you 1 second and you get 1 second.
No, me no want a quickie.
We don't want a quickie. You have to spend a 5 hour on the time here. By the time the 5 hour, the place, we can't go to the hospital again.
That's sometimes me I go no a quickie.
No, we don't want a quickie.
The man like hospital by 7, 8 o'clock.
No, make no sense. You don't want to hurry up and go. Sometimes I listen to me, just give me just one
boy.
quickie quick and fast.
Can
and
you
go on.
listen out of your big ears then,
But
please?
you know use your head. You tell me say in a hurry if you go down so. If me give you now
What
5 hours,
mother?
If they found it 5 hours now, how are you going to return hospital?
It's on
That's why you must give full money and we'll come back. We are going to just drop off money and come back.
Son, hurry up now.
No, man, me a black man. Me can't take his son.
No, me skin light. No, me no want to get black.
Don't let me hear it. Come on. Nah, bleach. No,
we are calling the money. We are confused.
Don't push me so, girl. I'm so spending money. Don't play with me so. Come on. Don't push me so. Don't abuse me. If you push me,
oh, for the money now. The money.
Go on, me say. Tired.
God.
We chop more good money off our boy.
So we get an extra.
We get
now party, yes sir.
A party, we see, but we get 10 funny.
I wanna do nothing.
You can't do nothing.
I say workless.
Me I say.
Workless bad.
If we're going to shop, go buy one juice. I'm the next shop lah.
Girl, wait there.
Wait, sister there. Oh, your sister. Your mother go kill her, no?
I want there for...
Cause you say she fit sit down the desk all now, me not see what she there.
Come here, girl. No, yes, I'm left her.
Look on his seat, wipe off his seat.
No, yeah, he that.
No, they say when you're going to rub
Pinch me.
What's that?
No, yes, I'm left her.
I see this.
I want there
she there drink this?
Me no know.
And the bone back up? You look like she there drink it.
Jesus Christ. I want there for mommy she gonna tell mommy say me gone around there so with you with man.
Me no busy about that, you come say come for me go around there so too man. I may do this. Do this.
Girl, stay so me and go up the road and if me see her.
Alright, go on come.
It's gonna get red.
Where you come from, girl? Where you come from? But when I think I gone tell her mother say we gone on this with man.
Oh! So I say, hold on, stay.
We are talk about, but what?
Full of man is here, 16, 17, girl.
My sister is a badass. I know me that. No, exactly that.
So your sister?
Yeah, but anyways, thanks to buy me. So.
You shouldn't buy you nothing. And you didn't know so you stay.
Anyways, me I come go, cause she talk about me. So me I come go.
Look upon this one ya. Force ripe.
We're supposed to force ripe.
You don't even look ready.
Supposed to force ripe. You want to feel it?
You don't look ready. Feel what?
Feel my ass. You have money?
You look like an ass. You look like a big black ass.
Could never.
You're not ready yet. You need a whole lot of makeover. Look for your ass. Kiss my ass.
And that me I tell you. The girl lose.
Mommy. Come on, 5 1.
I have to go phone you back.
Where me call her? She's not reaching it.
I'm if I ask you. Where your sister there?
One man stop me and drape me up. Say my call her take 250,000 off of him.
What?
Yes.
Hold on.
So must pay it back.
So when me go find 250?
Yes, go find it. Come in, what in drape me up and check me again.
Hold on, drapes up you?
Yes.
So what you and your sister do for
me run off for her. And she run off, so me thinks that she run come here, so.
Girl, where they? Where they come from? Call me what about much away pan you.
See her, mommy, take her and bow the man will drape me up.
Which man?
But the 250,000 you owe him.
I come from when man was me there go to the shop after me did out a bamboo chair away pan you.
Hold
on. What man drape you up and where you are come from?
One man drape her for 200 drape me up.
How long she tell me for wear pan her?
Stop tell mommy lie.
Me not tell mommy lie.
Mommy, you can't ask my friend Jada.
So why you stop a bamboo? Come in and believe what I want to say.
She tell me to tap out their weight on her. And then we go shop after.
So hold on. You sit down and wait and man so what you did there when man drape up my daughter?
No, man never drape her. She told me.
stop tell mommy lie. Remember the man.
Clothes crush up.
Okay. Okay.
Clothes crush
Me
up.
come around here run like crazy.
Me did there shop and me come back and me come back up here.
Stop tell mommy lie. You know say me didn't know say from your barn you go turn a whore.
Hold on.
Yo.
Hold on. Let me this yeah.
After you tell me say this another bamboo tree away pan you.
I mean the man here
Wait
up in
a bamboo tree for.
She tell me to wait there.
Where me send the
Remember
two
me run
now?
off left you.
Where me send the two now?
You said we go to the man, Joe.
To what?
Want money.
So how you reach? How you?
But you make man drape me up.
That's why I not believe you know. What kind of trouble you get in now? Make man a drape up her.
She make man drape her up.
Ayo, you owe the man 250,000. We can't offer the man.
So I think you just said man never drape her. That's why I can't believe you know.
But me never
you
did
too lie.
Me never did that out there when she go away.
One minute you say man not drape her up, then you just say out to your own mouth. Say man drape her up. You lie too bad man. That's why I have to believe her.
She and Jada they gone.
So what? Tell me the truth.
Tell mommy the truth.
Can you raise up the pressure?
Tell mommy the truth.
You did go away with Jada. I don't know what's part of no gone.
Me don't know if me don't know one day if the man a year man that's in can drape me up.
You see whatever kind of trouble you going out the street I go do. Now bring it back on my doorstep. Hey?
Say I go believe Jada. I be me fi say.
So right now, me here
She I go believe
come
me.
out to your mouth if I wish you cross
Me not tell no lie. I the truth.
Yeah, tell
Me
lie.
not tell no lie on your girl.
Me not catch her with nothing yet today, that's why I believe her and she's a bigger one. Me not expect her for lie. Me not see no proof of that. Since you come and turn up in front of me, a two lie you can't tell in front of me.
You want believe you believe. Because me I tell you the truth.
Mommy say she talk to you too. You say she talk to you.
250,000. What you do with that there? How you get
She must what take your mind man with it.
So how you get 250,000 man to give you 250? What you do for it?
I'm sorry because she make man drape her up.
What go on? How, no man, not even Santa Claus are gonna give you that kind of money.
You
for
must
nothing.
lie down for it.
So me call her, you're not virgin no more.
Yes. Is she a virgin?
Let me tell you something here and now. You see how me I sweat? My pressure rise up. And on the now send me a dove cut.
She caused it.
Right? On the now send me a graveyard. Early and before time. So, before me do nothing, tell me the truth.
Don't tell her the truth.
Me don't tell you the truth, mommy. A man drape me up for 250,000 when she take off.
Be a lie she a tell.
Me a tell her, you a tell a lie.
Fear lie them not make no sense. I be a lie they tell.
You know what? What the man look like?
Me not. Him
Talk
just,
fast, man. What the man look like?
him
drape
tall.
you?
Him tall. Him tall.
Just tall.
And brown.
Nothing else tall, brown.
Him tall and brown. Me never there real pay him no man. Because one time come drape me up, sir. Me run off.
Look what you cause.
Me?
Look what you cause. Eh? Look
Just mommy, just look how me run come to you a while ago.
So hold on. And then I reach Joe.
How we reach? When she make man drape me up.
Girl, don't tell no lie for me. You go with Jada.
So when me send on upon a chore, it don't mean nothing to her, no. Here what? Lift up and go inside. Move faster, man.
I am biggest liar.
You want something like to do it to damn self.
Right, sometimes you can't, but because I may even believe me. I may tell her, so I be a bad one. I may tell her she not believe me. Yeah, I'm bad yo. Me talk to her.
She going to believe me because I'm 18 and you're 16, so you expect. We expect.
Girl, me not like her.
Well, you confess me tell you. You're for glad to me call your sisters because I don't like you. So you come out.
Me first never like you.
I never like you. Everything we have to share.
And?
I don't like a boy now. Lucky.
Me lucky.
Why you too?
Girl, I wish you all the best in life. I wish you all the best.
Wish all the best.
All
what?
the best.
All the best.
Riches,
What?
you get riches. If you want this, you get this. If you want belly, you get belly. If you want this, you wish. Just know say me wish you all the best in life. Here, wish you all the best.
You want to know me box you out here?
Whatever so reach you, so reach you.
I want to know me box you out here.
No, make it land. Make it land. Abi, make it land. Nah, like back you know. Just make it land. I come like I'm mother. You're my mother. So.
You get what this time, girl, but I tell you this. I don't like a boy, so you better walk far from me. If you're glad to me call you sister. And just because her mommy make me call you sister.
Ah, well. Now go about your business.
Bye.
Man like that. Alright.
Yeah, I'm supposed to love man.
That's all I can do. Tired. I be saying I go over there and come back and try to see him. I be mad at one go on.
Hey, me there. You alright?
Yeah, me alright.
Oh, God.
Can I see Abby?
What you wait for Abby for?
He have something for me. I don't remember what.
So what Abby have for you, so?
Me just remember look well, but me don't remember our.
You remember, like, hold on. So you sit, how long you wait for Abby?
But 120 minutes.
Clear. Jada, you really mean for say, you sit here for 20 minutes and wait for my daughter. And you don't remember what?
Oh, me just remember. I want pen.
What?
I'm pen.
You could go stand up and talk to me. Come here, I look down and I twist round. See, you sit down here for 20 minutes and wait for my daughter for what?
I'm pen.
Yeah. What is not this? You know, so I want to be like one of the young people when I grow up. Huh? You take your book from morning?
Yeah.
Eh?
We have exam next week.
You have exam next week.
Yeah.
And you sit down and wait 20 minutes for pen? Hey, you see if I was you, I wouldn't be sitting down wasting time with exams around the corner and wait for pen. Where you and my daughter really have so.
We have practice.
Practice. Like how she practice and tell me say, man drape up, Makala. Eh? Suppose,
The man drape me up too. I may have to give him 2 box. I may have to push him man down right, yeah, so.
so you see when him drape up, Abby?
Yes. He drape me up with 2. And Michaela lied to you. I happy if you believe.
Hold on. The first true thing me hear you say for true. Because me no know where me go wrong with Makala. For true, me no know.
You're lied.
Why? So, you know what the man look like?
Him brown and he have a tattoo.
Him have tattoo.
Yeah.
Cause Abby did tell me same brown and tall. Alright, well me can't turn you up on here and tarry for long with young people. Go here, I'll go take your book. You just say you have an exam round the corner. And if you study harder, man. Alright, I'll come off of the roadside.
Yeah, go down the road and buy one juice.
So you know, you can eat. Yes, man, yes, stop. You know how long me ask you for money and me can't get it? I beg you how long for the my nails them for me? And you say, oh my God, me can get the money and next man have to do them.
A good thing the next man do it. You know see your nails them look?
My nails them look.
That's the trick of it. Here, notice, look your nails them. Black and white.
What about black and white?
Funeral service settings the man a put in.
A shade me did want. I never want a color. Black and white is not color. They're shades.
Only thing you want beside the hair stick for match up. Where you stop me for? You forgot to me your ex.
You're my ex when I say so. Me only have an ex when me and this man they left. You see when me left, and when the day me go 6'6", if I'm not 12'12". That's my final talk between me and you.
You know,
It's when me say we left, not when you say we left. We left to you, but not to me.
you know, there's something wrong with you.
What wrong with me?
Something really
Tell
wrong
me what
with
wrong with me. You look like something wrong with me. You put me from my head to me to look like something to me. If something do me, you make something do me.
How could I cause that?
I have you make something do me. Tell me now. After you make me go to the moon, go straight round it too much time and come back. When you tattoo them stuck on me, them stuck on and them come up, and you gotta tell me, say me and you left. You happy magician?
Stuck on Payang.
Yes.
Come off back.
Yes, and go back by you. I first me sitting there something there, moon and back.
Good evening. Sorry.
Good
Little girl, you don't know you're born. Sir, good evening. If you have the passport for take people to the moon, me want go.
Hello. Don't even think about that her going there. A bedroom she talk about.
Me didn't realize. Oh, sorry, that's why I've come out of people argument. A little girl, let me teach you something. If him take you to the moon, if you go there, I enjoy it. What kind of thing you deal with, so?
I'm go moon and come back. I'm go 2 times.
There's no more enjoyment for you, cause right now me and ex and you have man I do much things.
When you have me ex, when me says so, you me take it to the court? Did he tell us say you're my ex? When me and you come to that agreement there? When me decide that?
She not like she miss a lot of screw.
Say, young lady,
I'll not.
are you ex? Are you woman?
I'm woman.
It could be the ex because me not really want to call him nothing for me because sometimes he head move mad function up and down and me not too like
Who head move up and down?
And she me talk to.
So who you talk about to her? No me. Who head move up and down?
No, and she me talk to.
But if, young lady, if the young man say him no want you, you're supposed to have little pride, man.
Well, him never said that.
Right. Him talk to you like say
him
no
never say it
want you.
out, and him can't decide that.
You is a beautiful black lady.
Thanks.
Oh.
So no make man talk to you, so if you don't want you, left and go on, man.
Tell her
Let somebody else take you to the moon.
I don't think I wanted to see the next side of me, so I can continue. When me and you left?
You need to tell the man what the nails to get your wedding dress.
You can beat me now, you compete with him and give me the wedding nails.
Compete?
Yes.
Me look like a game foul.
You want to be a game foul if you want to be one, I
Me
can
look
be
like
one.
a fast car. Me look like a bike what this morning up road to complete. I don't do competition. Get out of my way.
I complete it, so I never say complete, you know.
Get out of my way, fish hook. Just need the bend in your knee now. Give by your mouth and take care of yourself.
Make sure it's me and you're not left.
What a nice lady. Lord of God, Rasta. Wagwan.
Why would they look
I
and
pass through the area, you know, I said, boy, you look good, though.
me look good?
Yeah, man, not tell a lie, man. You know, me is a man like this, you know. Me spiritual, you know. As much as you know, see me about the dread. Me is a good, you know, Rasta of the art.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Everybody see your top too. I say you really want that man.
How am I talking about Rasta?
Hey, young boy.
Like your honeymoon or anything else, man.
Hey, young boy, me never diss you. Oh, when me see you chat to the little girl, eh? You a chat, me call mad people, keep me out of your argument. Cause you're a mad lover. Move from me with your mad self. Mad lover. Move and go on. A mad woman you attract.
Don't pay no mind.
And me
Come on,
can
wait,
see
I'm
why.
talk to you. Come on, wait, don't pay no mind. You're not paying no mind. You hear me, I say no. Me see you. I'm here to tell you the fire just blazing. Yeah, man. It's a empress like you I want.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. You can cook.
of course.
You can clean.
Of course.
And wash.
Aye.
And balance everything for the scale. Them there. You see? Proud. Cause guess what now? Me not really come from about the year, you know. I want piece of work me come down and come deal with. But my work I done by weekend, and you know, the weekend, me not gonna know if it's stay for the weekend, so me go off head home. So if you want me come by and swing by, me can swing by and be the man of your life, you know. You get any kids?
Yeah, man. You can provide.
Yes! With that money, man.
He's a money man.
Yes, I can provide.
So where you work?
Huh?
Where you work?
Construction.
Oh.
You man, me a trade man, not work.
Me just gonna ask if you're a laborer.
No, me not do them, where labor I go. I'm a back strong man. See,
That me I look and kind of little though.
no,
Me kind of like my man with little bit more meat.
small axe fall big tree.
So me a tree growing on my face.
No, me not, here I know. You see how you make me look bad? Me not mean like that. Me mean like the I want to be a guitar. Right? Me want to be the guitar. And just play the music in an instrument.
Clear.
You're making music flow through your body.
Clear.
Yeah, I want you to be my drum. So me beat you.
Hey.
Plum.
Hey.
Yeah. I want you to be me violin. Just keep it somewhere else. Ching.
Oh,
and
Lord.
pluck your ching. You know?
Oh lad.
You know
I
how
say
it
you
go.
rub me down.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
The only thing me want be for you is the, what do they call it, saxophone. Me not like them mission there. No. Me not play them game there.
No.
Right. Somewhere there you be me piano. Put it on for the bit of me just and massage.
Wow.
So,
Wow.
how much kids they say have?
You have two, you know.
2. No problem. We can maintain 2. Me not have a problem with that. That has look a small freckles. Some buy a pack of cheap and so. Tell me no man.
So you can provide for me and my 2 children them.
Yes,
And you.
of course.
One thing with me, you know. Me no love mackerel and rice.
No, me not eat that.
And me no love chicken back.
Well, the mackerel, me feed it to my post. The chicken back, me feed it to my dog.
And where you feed me?
Huh?
Where you feed me?
Lobster and shrimp. Take it
Hey,
back, man.
now you talk.
Yeah.
See, they put the number in.
All right.
But what your name?
Huh?
What your name?
Call me Master Joe.
Master.
Yeah, Joe with the Joe. Yeah, man. All right, later, yeah?
All right, later.
Nice
We'll link
Empress. I want a Rasta in my life. Yeah.
you. My lucky day.
Oh, God have mercy. Get a Rasta in my life. What's all this?
My foot.
How are you?
You know, say my mother forgot doctor mother for give me about 50 grand and she don't have no money.
Oh, no money. How can I kill this woman that? We can have my picnic and your foot sick. I'm not giving the money if you go. You must be mad. So what do you say to your foot?
It's praying or broke or something.
Well, I have 50 grand now, you know. What you do? What you want? What you want?
If you not 50, you can give me a 30.
30. And the pain bad? Which part of pain? That's so? Hold on. There's so much I can't find and give you. Hold on there. No, wait. No, man, jump.
See, no, do me, sir.
What? Let's not come back. Sorry, listen. No bother with it. No bother with it. That you no do. You no go on a child chick man. And that you don't know. You're not even wait till me done put the money in your hand, your foot alright. You see how God good? You should have go around the corner there now and I shut those bunks you down. Yeah! You see anything you wish for yourself, it will happen.
No, sir.
So if you tell nobody no lie, tell your family dead and you want burial money, them are go dead.
Sir,
You
I'm
hear?
sick for true.
You're sick. I just a jump a while ago.
Because they have a little strength while ago.
Oh, make it on. Make it little strength stay. No make it come out. You see my money go to people who are important. You see like Uno?
My foot broke said important. Spray and me for say.
Oh, make it on the sprain. You alright, you alright. You alright? Knocky. See it there. Alright, you know, holla out. You see it? Take me feed that. You take me hear that?
Boy, I tired me. I come home way up this one.
Girl, me glad me see you. You know what? No? Something just happened.
What happened?
I need to take 30 grand off a smelly, but through me so cool and laughy for money. Me act like say me they alright.
So how you not get the money?
You know, hear me say me they act like some me sick and can't walk. But as him go take out the 30 grand, me start laugh about the money and this shit.
So why you never stay like how you did stay up first?
The money catched me eye.
I love money too much. I'm gonna breed you.
Me and you, cause I'm here, you can demand them.
You can't buy pill.
Well, me can buy a pill too.
But still, the mother come up there so early and ask for you.
How you tell her? Say?
I tell her some lie.
She believe you?
Mm-hmm.
You tell her. What she ask you exactly?
Say I have 1 pen for me.
By the way, she said nothing to you about 250,000 because me go up with tell lie for my sister, you know.
Mm-hmm. Me tell him say one man jape me up too. I'm gonna give him 2 back.
Come here, girl. Yeah. Me say me go up and say, Mommy, somebody drape me up for 250,000 of my sister. And she never believe me at first, you know. But me say, if you don't believe me, ask Jada. So me expect she come ask you.
But you not buy carrot?
When we get the money from her, from mama.
Oh, so you got to tell your mother to get the money.
We go continue, look how we go continue to tell a lie. Say, man, drape you up. Continue to say, we not send check to it.
You get it trick now.
Yeah. And they say, you know, don't you say, no? It just a start. So my sister, she lucky.
But still, me don't want to go check back the man there when they like come go check in.
Me I think if we come, much money I could take off him this time.
500,000.
Yeah, girl. If me can't manage that, we go kinda low.
Alright, stills.
But we are go.
Upper road when they come from, so I got shop. So, later.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Oh, afternoon, you alright?
Yeah.
Where your sister?
I look for her in her house. Where you go, mommy? She gone on the road.
She gone on the road?
Yeah.
But me not long leave the yard.
She gone. Not
No, sir.
Girl. Why you make me a look for you on the road?
look for who? Who you there look for?
You!
Where you go on the road go do?
You gone out of yard and so me chill I look for you.
Who mommy come up here close see? Me or you? So me fi gone on the road.
Well, you're reaching one time me I look for you up, down, side, way, everywhere me go.
Oh, so you go believe her?
So me think you gone a little man.
You believe her, mommy? And I mean you come see her.
So, but you're a foot younger and quicker than mine. So when me leave, she leave and now you go look for her.
Yeah, me go look for her on the road.
You not stop lying. You not stop lying.
Me not tell no lie.
Let me tell you something, little girl. Remember, say you's a little girl. Why you can't be more like Abby?
Me be more like Abby?
You know, sister,
I would never be like Abby. I would never want to be like Abby.
In your age, I wasn't a bad child.
Oh.
And I'm 18 and still virgin, mommy.
You wish.
Virgin.
You hear that? Virgin.
She wish.
Eh? Your pure problem at the grave, early grave, you want to send me?
She wish she was a virgin.
Me
Remember,
can't.
I'm a virgin, you know. You're 16 and bad, me 18 and a virgin.
Well, answer that again, what? She know what?
She's a virgin.
What a virgin?
You're no virgin.
Let me tell you something. Your sister never give me a problem. You are give me at your age. So let me tell you something else. Me will pepper your hole in a girl. I saw it a jump for man.
If
You
you want
can't
to believe
wait.
me, I believe me, mama. Me don't tell you the truth, and it come like say more and more. Me tell you the truth, and more you
What
want
a
to listen
lie
to
you
Abby.
tell.
Abby lie them you want to listen to, so me don't know what to do.
So which man you say she have? You have man.
Remember
Abby
man
alone
will
have
treat
man.
me up.
I get a man that.
Oh, you never see smoke without fire. But let me tell you something. Abby is still virgin at 18 and she never
Okay.
carry
How
no
you know
man
that?
and she never
How
carry
you know
no.
that? How you know that
She a big woman now. In the eyes of the law, she a big woman now. So whether she want to be or not, me no response.
But you are 16 and no virgin, so stop the night.
Oh.
Me no have no proof. But me kind of believe Abby because she never give me no problem yet and she passed your stage long time. Man will always there out there. Me will pepper you and put you up because me can't take the botheration. He says the botheration come, me start sweat. Because my pressure start run up. Here they know. Thunder and lightning in
Wait, look how
this.
you talk and she a shake her foot.
Oh,
Like you have a problem, you know, girl.
let me tell you something. I want big
How
woman
would
in
they on the
this.
phone? Man, they on the phone?
You see nobody on the phone?
No,
Give me
me
my
just help
phone.
a man
Don't
and
touch
chat
my
here, chat
phone.
on
Don't
the
touch
phone.
my phone.
You know
what?
what? Me can't deal with the botheration in this, you know. Me cannot deal with the botheration
Every day
in
I kick up
this.
in a bonnet.
So stick up
So
in
what?
the...
Freeze the bonnet, man.
It's my head. It's not on
Hi,
my
so
head.
me not there. Stick up in this.
Me not like that girl.
Let me tell
I
you
like it,
Me not like that
something.
girl.
I like it either.
Me have to talk louder.
Every day she go tell like
Me no
me don't
business me
like
a chat
her.
now. Let me tell you something. Me no want no botheration, me no want no problem. Do, please, me I beg you no. Go inside, go tidy up the house because we might have a visitor from tomorrow. Here? So me no want no botheration. On the sort
Come out
out.
of yard, go to no man this time.
Nobody bring no botheration in the yard, you know.
Alright,
Because
Miss
me will
Abby.
pepper me enough for pepper.
Alright, Miss Abby. Don't worry yourself.
Go on, man.
Don't worry yourself.
Go tidy up and spread the bed. All your bread never spread this morning.
Spread it.
I am fine road.
Spread it when you're gone.
Come, you. All right, she gone in for clean. You help season the meat. Come. Chop.
Hello. Yeah, I'm soon forward. Which one for meet you? I'm so come.
Hello. How are you out there talking to my phone?
All that concern you.
Worry yourself. Come on, soon catch you. Me go there, I feel laugh after you.
Come and catch me and you it go catch.
Oh. And they look for me.
So how me attack from my phone affect you? That me
Of
ask
course,
you.
it affect me.
Or it affect you?
I either do things and then you're gonna like you not do things.
So got you me, I'm my favorite.
And so,
I'm about that karma thing. Me is going to be me forever and you are going to be you forever. So stop fasting my business, please.
oh what?
You forget me older than you?
And so,
So stop fasting my business.
don't worry yourself. Mama so find out where
Remember,
they do.
remember, say you are the bad seed and me are the good seed.
Oh, alright, CD. Alright, CD. Don't worry yourself.
Hi. Who you call CD?
Oh, so mommy, you come and you hear when me say CD, but
Yes.
you know, you when she call me bad seed.
Me here.
Alright.
Me here. When you a call her CD, that's why you can't get on, you know. You feel learn to be more like Abby, man.
Me now will never be like Abby.
That's why you can't come to
Will
nothing.
Me no want
never.
you be back. Me no want you be
Will
like.
never be like your girl.
What arguing about now?
And she
More you're talking French, Jada. And she'll come out here with me a talk.
lie.
And Jada me there
A
chat
man, me
too.
dey hear upon the phone.
Jada me there chat too.
Well, if she have a little boyfriend or what? Whether it's Jada or is a little boyfriend or what?
Okay.
You bad mind her. Your
Me no bad
time will
mind her. Me
come.
no bad mind her. She just go on like so she
But you
innocent.
can't bad man when you have before me.
Me not before your girl. Don't do that.
Me go with what me can see and hear, you know. I mean, no, so me come around and hear you a call, she
So
see
you
me.
never hear when
I,
she call me bad
no,
seed.
me never hear that.
Oh,
Me
you,
not say
mommy,
it
you
never
not go
happened,
hear
but me
you pick
never
up
hear
fear,
that.
you pick up fear, cause
Oh,
your
no, feel live
favorite.
better, man. You put
And
on,
she always a see me.
on her sister. If you was more
No,
like Abby, things would be
sorry.
a lot smoother. You know, see how she carry herself. She reach 18.
She don't carry herself good, she carry herself bad out her road.
Oh, me I carry myself bad. Oh, oh.
You
You
see,
not
when you
talk
come
about
out
you
with
in a girl.
statement like that, if you back it up with proof,
What is in the light must come to.
Dark. I'll finish it for you.
any, if it's right. Anybody season the meat?
I tell her if season meet this man when I get up, she don't do it. She tell me say she not do it.
But you want yam though? Do please and thanks. Go season the meat for me. And done the argument with your sister, man. I mean, you suck it eat
Yes,
after.
No, the girl,
she look
come
pan
in when
and
she
kiss
look
her
for me
teeth.
for.
You have to take her in hand, you know.
Me, mommy, she not listen to me.
More want her come more like you, Abby. Because you come, you straight police never lick off my door for you yet. You never bring money in for me.
Mommy, me tell her, say she must be like me. She don't want to do it. Me, I tell her, say she cannot have man at 16 years old. She don't want to listen.
Anyhow, me, anything name they me catch that with man. Cause
Anyways,
you
me,
never do it at 60.
anyways, when me Gerald, they call me and come meet her out her road.
Alright,
Let me
go
see
on.
for me.
Then already when you come.
Oh, it's on hot.
But I think you wanna come.
My friend come with me.
You mean to bring a friend with you? Are you one to the forward?
Cause me and her ever go for a mission. Right, girl?
Right.
Kind of mission that.
Don't worry yourself about that. Anywhere we
Uh,
are go, we are bench and batty.
We are
well,
two best friends.
nothing wrong still. Two better than one. So yeah, I'm start off with your first time. Come on, go where's
So come in, hold the bag now.
Where which bag?
You can't have sex with the bag. Make a turn up right there, so the bag.
True man, true. You know what the bag here. Hold it good, you know. Hold
Me,
it
me,
good.
really good.
Come on, girl.
Don't drag me.
Come on, man.
Run, girl, run!
Run, y'all,
Oh,
run!
where you going with money, girl?
Run, y'all!
Girl. Yeah, run, girl, run. Run, girl, run. Tell him to come back with my bag, you know.
Run, y'all!
Tell him to come back with my bag. Girl, come in. Hey, alright. Come, see, I'll get put it on without warning to you. Come. Girl, Mr. Come.
Ah, yes, so me a turn up.
No, over yourself, turn up. Turn up over here, so. Turn up there, so. Turn up there, so. Don't move. Turn up. Sure. Oh, my papi.
Oh, God, I'm tired. I can't call him my brother, sister. Please.
I can help you.
I'm boy, hold on for your sister, bro.
Every time me
Tired.
help my sister, you know, me ever they get me in a problem. What you mean, man?
I think I getting a problem this time.
How
Please,
you know that?
go help me,
How you know
please.
that?
Me no know. Please.
Alright, come on. It's part of the road, yeah.
Open road.
Alright.
Leg off of me now.
Look off which hand.
Me
And
say
my
leg off.
funds me want. Look off of who? Money me
Push
want.
dirty boy, this is what I'm for my sister.
You mean shorty boy well and power sister?
What I'm for my sister? For leg off for my
She
sister.
take my money and me gonna need it back.
Dirty boy, I me have a bag.
So how she have the bag? And you hold on for
Two
my
of them
sister. We hold
apart.
on for my sister for.
Can't
Leg
forget
off
my
of
money.
me. Yes,
And she
me
have
no
to
money.
hold on for not my sister.
When hold on for one till one give me back me good.
And she have to hold on for leg off for my sister.
Leg off
Hey,
sister.
see
Leg off
bag
for
ya.
my sister.
See bag ya.
Run me back.
Leg off for me.
Leg off of
Leg
who?
off for
Leg
me.
off of who?
Leg off for me.
Show me
Leg
say
off
what?
for me. Leg off for me.
Show me say what?
Leg off for me and
Eh?
now. Leg off for me and now.
Give me back girl from a boss up your face with a big
What
stone.
is the video for?
Give me back no man and
You, girl,
girl, give me back girl.
you.
I love money too
It's
much.
all good, man. It's all good.
Take off. You size up you know with a big stone for chew and I read this life, you know. Girl, run my phones, girl. Girl, me back, girl. Hold yourself, man. Me have 10 minutes right now. I can link you. Boss, if I look a front face, girl. Watch me out.
Mommy, mommy, me have something for show you.
Before you show me, where you leave the other go?
I that me a show you, mommy.
Help she.
Look at this. Look at this girl, man, a wall and pan. Look where you see man a wall and pan.
Oh, I saw it go. Explain this to me.
She me go up there go help.
I know the man a wall and pan.
But are you a animal hole?
But she there what?
Big man too.
Mommy look pan it for we and. Mommy look pan it for we and. What out your aunt now?
I do not know the man.
So how she have picture approved this, you know?
But I me go up there go help her cause
Not
she
tell a lie.
and tell me say man up the whole and pan her.
What is the truth?
Me I tell you
Man wall and pan I'm catch her.
Not up tell like every day I just come go to say like me just sick and tired of this.
So where you
I
are
want me
proof
a
there?
walk past. I want me a walk past and me see say man and me a say this is a good
I
time to show
never
man.
Jada come there and tell me say man up the
bad
whole
like
and pan
yards.
girl. How you so lie?
Hold on, you always tell me say Abby a lie, eh?
But
I
she
me get
tell
proof.
lie.
Abby come with proof where your proof say she a lie.
Me not take no proof cause she did up there and then there.
It's you.
It's you.
My
I'm
girl.
not night with you. Every day I come in and tell
Mommy
like
not say
family,
proof.
and every day mommy come they believe
Bad
you.
like yards.
But like
Hold on,
yourself.
stick up in. Yeah, take man now.
No,
So you want to leave this?
Man. Me don't not know the man. At first me ever see the man and today alone me see the man when me go up there so go help
Miss, this
her.
is Mr. Mummy, this is the second man.
Man, I hold that the man bigger hole.
With this, I make you with this. I can't every day on a condemn.
I saw you a jump for man so quick you can't wait another 2 years.
Tell you already truth. So if you want to believe, you believe. Me just
Ma approve.
Hi, where you go?
Yes, Shana Manners.
Better you know, say if you leave the yard, nobody come back.
And the man she gone to, Mummy. The man she gone to.
Oh, hold on, what is
Bad
this?
like yards.
So you know him?
No, I pass and me see.
So what them did I do?
Me see them in the bush and I see Mummy in the bush then stand up.
Me have to go find him. You know him there?
No.
Let me go put on the fighting shoes, cause this ridiculous. She turn big woman and this.
Yes, man.
But I time.
You see that come from, man? How do you make it a mumble?
Don't you become the confine na me man ya. And in the con the cuss. I made cuss him out then the car made it pissed off. Every time he go up on my sister's side, you know, want believe in me this. So me just come out here and cuss him out. I can't matter.
Yes, your mother.
Every time he talk about how he believe my sister, every time I go to him, and one bag something I say him believe my sister over me because my bigger one and one bag something.
To share the bigger one?
Yeah.
So it's not you should believe as the little one.
He say no believe me not be a lie me they tell. And just not too long ago, he girl video me.
Who video?
My sister call one man hold him up down the road and me go they go help her. And then me go lick him and the man grab me palm me hand and then him a go video it and carry go show mommy. So it she the cuss now and a talk.
So?
And my man, I mean even when man far no way.
So she know the man?
Yeah, she know the man.
Fair man.
And she me come out there for go help and me see the man hold on panar.
So what you want to do then?
I want to do something about it because I'm tired of this.
Like what?
No, probably get revenge or something. No.
Get revenge?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean as in revenge?
I don't know anything. No.
My revenge is different from someone revenge, you know. What you call revenge?
I don't know like if you make mommy start believe me or something like that. Mm-hmm.
Girl, I can't help you. But never me. Moody never reach in it, none at all. Me no get involved in a that it's family problem. So you see me help you.
Mm-hmm.
Don't mention my name. If you mention my name, me go hang you by your front.
You're not going to mention your name.
And what you did I go do?
Me never did go do nothing, just stay.
Where did I go?
Just stay walk on the road, come me tell us me just not two now come from down there, me cuss them out.
Right, I'm tell you what me I go do. Me I go back to the yard. Me I go tell your mother everything about she.
Yeah.
Yes. Come on.
Alright.
We are go back up there to the woman. But make sure you know say with the big one and the bad one.
Yeah. See who are in here? Me car. See me. Don't look for me.
Mommy!
So you are the one.
Mommy!
Get too much cup in our lips.
See a car girl for come beat me now. Mommy!
No, what?
But I
Come here then.
one here. I know she never know with a man yet.
She car girl for come beat me off in
They come
here.
here for beat a long time.
What go on?
She car girl for come beat me off, but see when girl beat the girl for me. I saw she come talk while ago.
Yeah, that's a liar. That's all I can say. She had the reason why I ever rough up she. You see from I know her, I never see her with a man yet. She could still be virgin.
Probably on you and her the same thing.
Only somebody here is not the same with you as me and her. Cause you're better than he is.
So hold on, tell me something. You under them hole?
I want me know.
Oh, see they under
I
hole.
was there when the man was there with her.
So what you did there when the man did there with her?
Cause she go for defend she.
Oh, so where your evidence there?
Let me go for the man.
Eh?
Want me to go for the man?
Oh, who you bringing in my yard? Me no grow the toy, so me no want no strangers in my yard. So people will come and bad mind you for what you have.
Bad man
and set up gunman
bad
I
man
feel.
how? Bad man after she?
Where
Yes.
did me yard the
Why you
girl?
go bad man after she?
And
Why
when
little liar?
Oh, who you call liar? The girl?
daughter.
You coming in my yard and I accuse and bad mouth my picnic.
Why bad mouth there? I just
And see the bad mouth there. Oh, what you do?
No, me see what? Oh, your favorite. Our favorite is him.
Oh, so you
Why you take it to
Hey.
your two daughter them say?
What going in here? You really coming in my yard and I
not
try
beat
tell
you
me
too.
what to do and I try dominate me and me picnic in my
Come
yard.
shut me up.
Little girl,
Beat you too.
you have the count of 3. 1,
So after
3. Get out of me yard, little girl. But don't take it. Come on to me yard. Show.
Nah, go let her. Mommy, no run me friend. No run her. Do not run her.
Don't run her.
Hear what she have to say.
Don't run her.
Run her.
Okay, so me I run you. Yeah, bring big woman in the yard. So yeah, next thing you bring gunman in the yard.
where the gun come from?
So where the proof there?
She a go for the man.
I'm going
She a
to
go
get
for
the
the
man and
man.
ask man who me stand up for that who come to save the little one right?
Okay, go on.
Hey girl, come out to me yard. Out to my yard now. Come out of my yard before me use physical violence. Because if you use physical violence, they call it trespassing. No police are not going to do me nothing.
I'm not gonna get.
You want to
She's
get?
been abused.
You want to get?
She's been abused
Come out.
mentally.
Come out. Go out. The two come out to me yard. The two come out to me yard. Hey? Bring in gun girl for me. For kill me off.
Yes,
Hey?
mommy. Yes, see.
But what is not this?
Yes, she car girl to come beat me.
So why we never there? Jesus, 2 against 1. I bet you are there with the whole time, me baby.
Yes, mommy. Yes, she always I do.
Me have to rate you, you know. Me have to rate you. Because when she bring in, and look how the girl tall and towy. If we never turn up strong in my own yard, the baby, me sorry I got through this year. Because boy, me never know so your little sister bully you.
And I'm the bigger one, you see?
And you sit down so calm. So tell me something, you would have take the lick them?
No, me just there wait for she put her hand on.
Yes, so can I teach you 2 no. Never you lick first, but never take last lick neither. Why, what is not this? Me wouldn't mind if she not come back, you know. Can't bear botheration. Me can't take the botheration. Come, baby, me cook your favorite. Come. And me can't take it. Lock the door when you come in behind you, cause make sure you have to knock. Cause me wanna know who a woman in this. You alright now, baby?
My mommy.
How your face still sit so?
Just kind of still vexed over the situation.
Now make your sister, your bad mind sister, upset. You hear? You'll never get this day back again. Nobody make she ruin it for you. She and her bad mind friend. Me just glad me did there.
I reach in
Yeah,
time.
indeed. We glad to see you. You reach.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I can't leave my
Yeah, our
alone.
mother.
Wrong.
My mother.
But me don't know you.
You know my daughter?
Yes, me know she, man. She, me know.
From
Yeah,
church?
walk on limbo and say, have to do
You sure
surgery and
me,
a 30
sir?
grand. About 60
You
years,
sure
something,
me?
something like that. And he want half of it.
You sure
Alright,
me?
No, no,
Now,
no.
and the moment me dip in my pocket and take out the money, her foot heal. She can jump. She can
Sir,
walk.
look for me. You sure me I'm a good child?
Yeah, man, are you okay, man?
Stop tell that. Where you proof? Come, you can't take
Yeah,
here say,
proof.
me thing go court, you know.
So, I'm me and the man.
And she and my daughter.
So, who you heard, I believe?
Our daughter.
You see, Papa, if you did come and tell me, Joe, say, is this one? Because the two of them are my daughter. She am a good girl.
I tell you already, say, I name Joe, right? And Papa is just my local initial. I heard the mention it right in front of everybody.
So we are one family. There's no secrets in family, you know. We are one.
She the road a scam man.
Stop it. You're going to get me vexed now. Where no proof there? I be bring proof for you. Where your proof there?
For that information, I'm 18 years old.
Whether 18 or not, you still do try scam me, right?
No,
Stop it. Cause you're going to cross my spirit now. And me and you like each other because we've been talking.
Like you will make man drape me for 250,000.
Hold on. Think you say you're sorry. Stick a pin.
Why you go kill yourself?
Stick a pin.
Why you don't go kill yourself?
Stick a pin. Don't not show me up.
Sorry, mommy, and she come and start me
See,
up.
them a pick me make no man no want stay here. But through me is a man and me have my money. Me not watch that because me can just pay them for the day to come out of the house to go chill out. You still like go to school?
Yeah.
Alright, so
When
you
she
give
go?
money if you go to school. Eh?
When she go?
Alright, me and the new man at the yard, stepfather. Chance today I'm on a puppy. She not to be my daughter, you know, because she old enough. She can't go around.
No. You can't accept the cow without the calf. The two, especially if you accept this one.
She look like 12, man, so nothing wrong. We can send her go to school.
No.
She look like... Huh? 16 years. So, right, you have 2 more years left in that school. I'm teach you something. Yes, when you reach 11th grade, you know if you stop this stuff. You have to do upper 6th form and college. Try to be something better. Don't become like, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Because all in do, I go on like you go on and scam man because he try to scam me, you know.
Who you talk?
Huh?
That,
You not scam nobody.
Not you, baby. I'm not talking about
And the only one who might have scam, but me not have proof of this your one.
you. You trust her?
A regular indeed.
With my life, I'm a firstborn, this, you know. I'm a
But them
firstborn.
wicked.
You must have bad family.
Let me ask you a question. You ever live good? Why?
She don't lie me. She ever they come tell lie for me. Ever make me look like some man bad.
So, let me ask you a question now. You put your love on one basket.
and she
me tell you
always a star me up, make me cuss with her and talk about she. Like me, so I tell me I like her back.
Why the reason you like her?
Because she ever they tell lie for me.
Good.
And she ever they get in a problem with man and I me have to help her and then she come down here and tell lie for me.
Next time when she not problem with man, you lower. That's why you always say, if you can't catch Harry, you catch it short. No matter nobody knows the animal assembly. You leave her alone in a situation and then her mother know. We see it there, and she are the bad apple.
Hold on, before you start giving fatherly advice, before you all put down bag. Let me tell you something. Me not take first word, you know.
So,
I be come with proof on our phone, cause all the time, talk the truth.
AI there.
All the,
And
AI there.
And an AI.
AI there.
So you with
don't believe
AI.
when people come with phone.
Me have proof to proof.
Alright, so me are there right now, right? I say in the longer run, one of them will come to your country and say, me I look them, you don't believe?
Me want me see me proof. Me want see proof, cause you can't take care, say go to court.
So
And you can't trust nobody, got God.
She show you one video with me and a woman in a bed.
You would have to damn well explain it. You are which woman? Everybody run use AI as excuse when they get catch.
Me's not a cheater. Me's a fighter. Me fight for what I want. So your daughter is the same thing. She a fight in love, but you not give her it. You think it's she.
Who tell you something I love her? And she dash dirty
Look how
water
she
in
looks
my
sad.
face.
You dash dirty water in her
She all bring the other day she bring gun girl around here for it. I never fight off the girl. You want to see how me
She said
frightened?
she want proof, so me carry my friend to come tell
What happened to you?
And you say, see, don't worry, I beat the girl. And you say that?
You see? That's what the
you
trouble.
Alright,
up
yeah,
here, so?
Alright, yeah, no.
About put love
Yeah.
in a one basket.
On phone, no matter favor, like say, I'm not favor. What you call that word? Because I'm not so bright, you know. Me not gonna tell her no lie. Me not 100 in the word, but me 100 in a making each other become happy. You see what done today? You don't eat what she provide. And you don't eat what she provide. When you provide in a separate pot.
And mommy ever cook.
Alright,
Oh,
you
yeah,
know.
guys.
Mommy a cook. If you tell your mommy a share, make sure you did it with an empty plate. You get your food and sit down and eat. Don't let your food attended. Because this girl like in jealous of you. Yes. Somewhere down the line, she's jealous of you.
You come in and read wrong.
I thought exactly.
Hello, I have other picnic, you know. And I know how to balance them. I have 4 picnic.
Where them
And
there?
then well graduate.
Where them there?
College.
Uh-huh.
And then,
And when last you see them?
huh?
When last you see them?
Few months ago.
They live
That's
with
not
them.
good
A different parenting.
Me talk to them on video call, so what wrong with that?
You don't look for them in person. That's not good period.
No.
Cause when you're ready and the nice, take your head on the moderation, take your head, you just go poops and call.
Relax yourself, cool down, be
Now who I put all the eggs in a one basket and then even know the basket you put the egg them in now.
Who? You see this now? She forgot look work, cause she a hate
Mommy, I this thing call me, you know, this.
Me and you gonna have to set some ground rules, you know.
No.
Because me not like how you come and disrespect my baby. And you don't know her for...
You call an 18-year-old baby?
She could be 102 and me would be 142 and she's still my baby. And me
You
to
wear
come
pampers?
from.
No,
You drink out of buckle?
no.
Exactly. She's not a baby. You always make things wrong. If you me go take a walk, man, and top foolishness, man. You can't understand that them a pick me as no baby. Them are no baby. A big old he hard them here. Right now, between you and you, in good as I take a lot of man, I don't know.
She's 18, she can do what she wants.
Oh.
Me can advise. I mean, I agree with her taking a lot of man at the same
Alright, so
time.
it's the one, let's just say my 16 then. Do that allow she to take man?
She a complaint to you become strict.
Oh.
Me not even allow her to leave the yard like that. And every minute, I be a figure find her out of road.
You sure not other way around?
She can leave the yard. She never give me this problem when she was her age.
This is what you make wrong. Right? You have to treat the two of them equally.
When them behave equal. I be never give me nowhere near this moderation.
Me I go inside her.
Let me teach you something before me go take a walk. They always say, the fall where you grow first. Now gonna be the better fall, or the last fall you get. Or it the better.
So yeah, so what, you just come around for lecture?
No,
You come
on
round.
the road.
Oh, come you want to know how you take a walk? You not do nothing to me yet.
No, man.
All right, now you talk. Yes, B.
Me tell you, but if you count to the kids, them man, although me in the life, you know, but count to them. Because you know me is a principal man. And some life count to.
Hey, man, this.
So what you want to know? What when you see people at work or not with a good afternoon?
Afternoon, and your woman this.
And then the like
And I
see
want
black
me
people
want
have
you.
nothing.
Me
Come
want to say
be.
to you, what your woman? Are your woman is her?
What you know about me, woman?
Alright, obviously your woman. She not take care of the people, them she a maltreat one take her the next one. She say one better than one. Me go over
Hi,
there. Me
Auntie
have to go
Donna.
over there, go
Come out
raise
on
up
the
the next
business.
little one. I like one a big one. I like a big. I must share big. I share bigger one. I share big one. But not even know.
So you don't know nothing.
She that about she have man and she bad and so when the next one they are road with man, the next one I get much bad name, a busy child mentally over there.
What's that one?
Me have to go over
Miss
there.
Donna,
Run me out and yard.
Auntie Donna, what you do? I come in my yard and I come in on my business. Eh?
Because
And you don't even know nothing about my business.
mentally abused. And me tired when she come to me and say, Moody, I want me I say no, she not do nothing. But see, you lovely, see, you look bad getting pitney.
Let me tell you something. You're lucky see me not carry you go court and police station, you know. Cause this one come in my yard, come bad mind me and come threaten me and threaten my family. Eh?
Put it here.
Hold on. Let me clarify things right now. Two things me have against you. You come here, sir, right? You're approaching that and say, good evening, sir, or miss, right? Secondly, you come here and you try to push badness to my
I'm
woman.
not pushing that bad in me, just frustrated. I'm tired every day. My friend, I got ball. And she know she not the, me know she not the, God knows she not every day. She get blamed for the next little bad one over
So
there.
that's a one.
Bad like he had. It's just much man and fur up our sister, make it look like
I
she
threw
have
me there
man.
with you and threw me there out the street. And we will get done because me a big woman to squash a lice.
How you call lies?
Oh, you have ears now.
So that's a
Things are
one.
just mouth you have, little lice. Come out of people business.
And my
She
business
come in my yard
my
and
business
attack me.
Because my friend
Come
is
with weapon to attack me and my child in
Where the
my
weapon?
yard.
Where was
So
the
me have to
weapon?
defend
Where
myself
was
and
the
my
weapon?
picnic.
Alright, you me say, lady. I miss our little girl and one
So a
of
little
them.
child I come to a big
Just
woman.
see, family matter. No matter if I your friend or not, you know, going out, you leave it alone.
Tell her.
Also,
Cause
she went to the police station, she gonna go
Go on.
Suppose she went
Let
to the police station and make a report about her mother.
if the police
Ma
have
come in
arrest
the
him,
car.
no problem.
Tell her for go on. I tell her that all the time and she can't go
me-
station for me.
Why
Come
she
in
can't
and do
go?
nothing illegal and nothing wrong.
Of course. She's been
Little
mentally
chigger foot
abused.
pissing tail dryad
Let me go where
girl.
you want
Hello. I'm here you walk, right?
Look here where you
Have
want.
manners.
I'm man a sewer, little flea
You
louse.
know, whether you,
Hey, little
And
flea
your
louse
daughter
come
have
rise me up, you know.
Your daughter make a couple of the man 24/7. Where you want to shut down every man
Oh,
when you can't find.
so jealous, you're jealous of my
Jealous of
daughter.
gonorrhea syphilis?
Cause my daughter
Jealous of
can catch
syphilis?
a man
Jealous of a
anyone
walking
she
gun?
wants.
She
Oh.
excellent. She need good.
You see, when jealousy become an obsession, you need to go up on the 10th floor, my girl. Here. Because you're mad out. And you look like you're mad out for me pitney. Whether you love her or in love with her or what, me no know.
Friend.
yeah, no,
more
yeah,
possible to mad out
yeah,
than
you know. Me understand what you're trying to say, but deep down, me think the Empress her eyes closed. So she not really hear what you say when her eyes is closed, right? Her mind is blank. Because me see it too. Me see it, but she not understand. But the day go come.
Una come for little 5 minutes in my life and things so una know everything. Where una did there when me have find pampers? Where una did there when me have to find formula for them? And everybody did come. Me never say it's not. But everybody are coming in the last 5 minutes and I come tell me how to rule my picnic.
Better than one, I make one feel like she left.
So here what? Go find your yard and go find your business and come out to other people's business. What you a do? You a walk or you a talk?
Walk.
Right.
Hello, I believe you, yeah? Keep up the good work. Fight to what you know, right? But
Go and find out if the child is okay, yes or no. If they shake them, forget it when they got to see which one of them man a touch and when last one of them have.
alright, Kalula light.
Anything you want, so I'm going in and a chill.
Get a bright thing, man. I will. You wait. Me a come.
Jada, remember, say me not get my money, no. Remember, pray take the bag, Granny. So me come link you for my money.
Mommy!
Mommy!
Awa. Who are dead?
Come here.
Awa.
Jada, I be out there call Jada about them about pick up money, about something about money.
And then she call me out
Come on,
here.
phone door. Yes, but she a go to road go pick up money. Me did tell her, you know, mommy, cause me did see Jada with the bag. You don't want none, girl.
So what you proof?
You know, hear up on the phone.
Me not listen people argument on phone.
Every day
Little
you
girl, me tired of your foolishness, you know. But me have things to do. Me not turn like you, a waste of time.
Mommy.
Sure.
Mommy. She have man out there at 68. We're on taxi.
Stop the lie, Pam.
Older than me.
Yes.
I lie.
So hold on, what you do with grandfather?
Me not there with nobody, mommy. I lie, she a tell.
Let me tell you something. Me not know the foolishness we do today, you know.
Mommy,
She is 18. So she no must have money make the world go round.
Yeah, it is me it.
A thief, you the thief?
But
A thief, Jada, a thief? A thief in money?
Jada thief it. Me I tell her, mommy, a thief Jada.
So where your proof there?
Jada have rich parents.
Mommy, you soon know. You soon know.
Jada have
You
rich
soon know.
parents.
You soon know. 'Cause every time you dey believe her, you soon
Jada
know.
have rich
Hi,
parents.
another case of believing her.
Not true because she a 18.
I be a
Every time you
18.
believe her.
But I be
Even
a
if she a
18 and she come with her proof.
Even if she a 18, every day you believe her. You don't believe me. But
Me not see you come with no proof yet.
You're
The
soon.
only thing you do is bring gun girl in my yard for come
me
kill
never
we
no
off.
gun, girl.
And if we never know how to handle myself, the girl would assault my daughter. And
The
God
girl
knows
with
what
gun?
she do. Thief.
Mommy, you see the girl with gun?
She hide it.
She never have no gun. Stop tell lie.
I
Your
still
friend,
gun
if you talk
people
about your
rule.
bad company friend.
You know about bad company, friend. Me tell you something, I like her.
Company and sister.
Sometimes we worry about you, you know.
She
Because me not understand where you get that kind of bad breed mentality from.
About
Me?
Huh? Una sister.
no worry yourself. Me not talk. It's alright, man.
Una sister. Every argument me hear you a cause it. Turn it round, man. And do better. Me tell you already.
Up in my business.
No worry yourself.
You call me for nothing else? So me can't understand this whole foolishness with the two of you know. You have to come out to the bad mindness. I have man a hold you down, hold you and a carry you in a bush, taxi man, older than me. Me not even got so old, my girl. You see the piece of man they bring in him younger.
I could have cooking inside.
Eh.
I want cooking inside. Me are not out to start talk. We are go be loving today as from today.
You can do that.
No.
See that now. Me don't know what else to do. Can't bother.
You see you girl? After you get in your face, you can chat.
Girl, come go and buy a
What
business.
that shredder?
Girl, was fired go. You're out
That's
of
right.
order.
You like come take up, watch out. Oi.
What your problem?
We mean problem on bag there.
Can I ask you a question?
We mean ask me which question on my bag.
Can I ask you a question? Huh?
Where my bag there?
Did I touch that bag?
What you mean if you have such a bag?
Did I hold that bag?
What you mean if you have all that bag?
Even around your neck, did I hold it?
What you mean? Oi, listen me out. When you pull up on me yesterday, you know.
I'm a friend of your
Listen
bag.
me out.
I'm a friend of your bag.
my bag. You tell your friend to run. And your friend tell your friend I'm gonna grab on for you. So you can't run so she can't bring back my bag.
And she forgot to
And
your
she
bag.
end up and bring back my bag. So listen me out.
Well, about that information, from she take your bag, I don't see her back from that.
You can't tell me that. Cause you no plan this thing.
No, we never plan nothing.
So what you mean never plan? So you
never
not
plan
want to run. Take my bag and gone. Listen me out now. I have 200,000 in my bag, you know. I'm gonna need back my money. Like right
I mean,
now.
have your bags and
What you mean
pretty
a
much
bag?
trick.
Call a friend.
No,
I see if it take too long to call a friend and get back my bag of money. I have 400,000 gone missing now.
fuck up are you too? At 200,000 you say first.
That at first. Me I talk about no. If me going a station and got involved in a police account, me not beat one, you know. I'm just about me not argue, because I underpants me not wear panty. Me not argue.
But it look like see you wear it for true.
No, me not argue with you. Me I tell you what I go on right now.
Go to my friend for your 200,000.
No,
100,000.
four. I me going to
200,000.
walk going to station, come back, the mechanic shop and I want fix. I
200,000
walk to station.
200,000 and one.
Me I put one more penny. Say no, so that one I gonna make 5. If me not get the
That
500,000
invisible 500,000?
What?
That invisible 500,000?
You see the bag there? It can hold more than
The bag
500,000.
so little.
Not too little,
Me
remember?
say I want my friends spend off everything.
Spend off everything. How yourself? See when I get back my money, by end of the day,
What you gonna do?
feel it.
Feel what kind of feeling?
Sorry.
Sorry about what?
I mean, not talk about mama and papa feel it.
Sorry about what?
I mean, not talk about when I go to school and come home late.
Sorry about what exactly?
Let me get my money and see.
Kiss my teeth. I hope she run off with the bag there.
Run off with the bag there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna sorry.
Sorry about what?
Let me get my money. Me
What
don't talk to
about
you, no. Me don't talk to you. So go on, give me chat on so where you get to there.
Why you two? I want you to run off with the bag. Now we are look for.
So no milk, man. Go on, chat up.
How we are look round so far? Me see you look round and so. How we are look round so far?
Me don't talk to you, no.
Me just wonder we are look round for.
Go on, man. Cause me not to beat one and I don't want to rescue you, no, man. Me tell you so go on.
And that you should lick me.
I make your friend know say me want my dog food.
And me go tell her run off with the bag.
Run off with the bag.
Yes, she first run off with it.
Go on, man. I go sorry.
I don't understand. Or think anything to understand what problem you are having. Yeah, baby. It's a lot of happy, safe, wanted, you need, and start off with from today. Yeah, baby, it's you don't understand why it's so full of problem. How could the problem with ugly your mouth? And sometimes even though sometimes nice, I mean, I want that to drop. Listen to something. You can't manage it like this. Your problem from morning, and then you can start with the morning, nothing with the evening. If I'm pregnant with you, you make me lose the job. And I have a nice piece of money that. My God. Nigga tell you which part. It's for one baby, man. Finish. Me trouble you with what? You should have timed it better. What be good?
What's the argument for? Every time you come in the yard, it's the same result over and over. You can't live good with the kids, them.
Hi, stick up in. Number one, you come in after the fact.
Oh,
So better you come in and say what is going on before you turn around and accuse.
Alright, what is going on, baby?
Me in there cook.
From morning, the same thing over and over. You know?
Yes, so that
every time you go out, they come back
world.
in. Every time you go out, they come back in. And the same thing from morning. It's like, you don't like her for some reason.
No. She and her sister ever argue.
Argue?
Me argue. And I be gone.
You feel like your mother like you or not?
Come
Good.
here, discipline you not like.
That is not discipline. Let me tell you something. You get, but you don't know how to grow a child. I have 4 pitney, as I tell you before, right? My pitney grow with responsibility.
Then grow with you?
They're in college.
Then grow with you?
On and off.
Uh-huh.
I keep them on the holidays and the weekend.
On and on.
But listen, if you pitney like them, you must not allow them to sit down by themselves. Right? In our zone. They will have mental issues. Spirit will talk to them and influence them to do things. You understand?
What kind of foolishness you're coming to me out in a chat, sir? Me need to keep an eye on her because, hey, me allow it up now because maybe that might help you for change. Maybe the embarrassment will help you for change. 60-odd-year-old man, she there within a taxi. When her sister show me picture with a man and she in a bush.
Hello.
The Then anything she breed up before
Alright, here I know.
time, me a
Here I
bad
know.
mother.
Yeah, no. I am just a stepfather. And I can't tell her not to date a 68-year-old man.
Me not even got so
Yeah,
old.
that's a grandpa. Anyway, I am not going to say she can't do that. It's her choice because government give them the age of 16.
No,
So
so
it's
when
her
she
choice.
breed early, government a come look per me, say me a bad mother. 16, me a business government age. 18 and above. You know, sister, I been to bring no belly and arms in the yard.
You don't know if she breed and dash it away. That you don't know. Some of them pick me here. They don't want pregnant non-talent. So if it happen, they go take pill and dash it away. So you have to look into the situation and say, she they get mistreated, she a get abused. There's no normal child now go sit down by themselves at daytime. Right to the day, you notice back and forth. As somebody do a little work out there, me come back here, I see him place and see she sit down. She
Lazy.
What you call lazy?
From morning. You know how much time she take book? 0. Per morning.
For money, mommy. I be that for my money more than grandpa room.
Amen.
I be a big woman, she don't have exams.
But she not
She not still in school.
She not doing anything in the yard.
Listen to the fact where you're trying to say. I'll be a big woman. That means that she feel the wash, cook and clean while she a study. Because she's the next generation.
She not study.
She going to be the next parliament. She going to be the next Portia.
The two of them.
Cynthia Miller. Right? You going to be the next Portia. All you have to do, hold up your head high. Not listen to your mother, not listen to your sister. You hold up your head high. You see, out there, you have to aim for what you want. Because your mother has card in what me I see right now. Your mother now want to get that future.
Hi, stick a pin. You not come in my yard and poison me pitney them head, yeah?
No, but
because when me a batter and a fight by face with the two of them, me never know you.
This morning, me see you fry 6 egg. And you look on your big daughter and give her 3 egg. And you give her 1 and give me 1 and you take 1 for yourself. When you could have just give she 2 and the big one take it 2, then I 1.5.
If she say she hungry, me no must. If me starve my pity, then you talk about neglect. She only wanted 1, and me friend give her.
She never wanted 1. She asked for half more. She asked for half an egg. And he said,
she must ask you, cause she never asked me. Me never hear that. Come with a fried gear. Stop.
Why you eat the child? Tell me the truth. Why you eat her?
Me just say hate you, because every minute you come in and I poison my picnic head. Me ever tell you something hate my daughter?
Why your mother decides she don't like you?
No, I'm sorry. I'm supposed to because I be fans. I be her favorite class.
Me not have no favorite.
That is the thing with the parents, or the favor. We don't have too much favorite in the children. That's why they murder them one another. Sister murder brother, brother murder sister.
You're coming to influence badness in me.
Influence show me.
Nobody talk about Cain enabling at this yard. And you are bringing it in ya.
I bet you.
Return to sender with that.
I bet you. If one day you put all the love, take all the love when you get to Abby alone and put it on she Abby murder.
How you mind so smutty and dangerous, so?
No, it's what?
How you gone into that white room, so? That's so dirty and evil.
I could have been a detective, or a CD, because I understand child emotional. She's emotional breakdown. Something about her. But you're so naive. If you don't sit down and chat to your daughter.
And when me ask her, what you tell me the other day, you worry about where your father is there and who your father be. Eh?
That is the next thing.
Before you open your big mouth and jump in a people argument, find out what happened first, yeah?
What happened?
Because just like how you come round after the fact, and then I talk to her after she argued with her sister.
What happened?
Not that me have to justify to you, you know.
Alright, you want me have to tell us.
I kind of turn so against you, you know, because
you
I know where you're coming with.
No, listen, you can't let me feel now, you know. Me and you tie. The moment I enter in you tie.
Hey.
Calculate. Anyway, me talk to she. You see, you're 16, you say, right? You want more you do. Stop fret. Stop make your sister and your mother situation bother your head. Focus. You have your little phone, you download some book and you read and you study.
No, take book.
You see, if you sit down and write this a life story, oh, your mother and your sister Anglia and write it and you publish it, you can be a millionaire out of that the one book there. Cause you can call it family of destruction, favorite of child.
Yeah, drop word. I may notice certain things. I may keep my mouth shut, but I go open my mouth now. You talk about favoring and favoring. Me not see you talk so to Abby. So you favor she. I like how she like big man.
No, don't think that in the head.
Because
True, you don't know what
me
Abby
have to
do. You know
certain
what?
things
You
now.
know what Abby did last night? You didn't know what Abby did last night? But you're not gonna believe me. So make it rest. She was coming out of the bathroom and then she see me I go to the bathroom. You know what she do? Drop the towel. And talk, oh God, the towel drop and bend. She's a bad looking girl. She's the best one you have. That one, bad.
Hold on.
Yes.
Abby drop towel.
Yeah.
That can slip from wet hand. Tell me something.
Jesus.
You look.
Huh?
You look.
I'm a man. Me eye glimpse.
Oh, so me right then.
What?
And true Abby too rank I know why you. Yes, sir. Hey.
And that with you.
You see? Now, no, say she love all man,
that
you
with
know?
no parents, you know. Some man who don't tell you that, you know. But me tell you, that with no parents, no open up on a big eye.
Me eye them big.
Go and go take a walk here. Go and go breathe out. You must not suffer yourself because of family. Me can tell you can't move out of your mother's house. You know, look nice, you're 16-year-old and run with. Just go and suck salt. When you catch 18, if you want to stay here 2 more years, you go and suck salt again. When you're 20, you are fully understanding, which I'm not 20, fully understanding at 22. Because when you become 22 years, you're a fully grown woman. Then the time you're supposed to well high up in a job, I'd reach manager stage. You can't be like your mother. They had depend on man. You know, see? Look good.
Hey,
it look like that Abby do too.
Hi. You see, when you are lecture, future or no future, me not like how you drop word pa me. You see, if you tell you drop a word pa me in a little place, remember say you a catch with me, you know, and I may catch with you. So this is the next time you talk to my daughter and I drop word, roll 66.
Okay. You want me to roll 66 now?
You gonna do it?
No, baby.
You gonna do it?
No.
Cause me not one of them woman will beg, you know. Me not beg.
I'm not talking. Me I go on the road. I'll do it something. Take it
You
easy.
kind of piss me off right now.
All right. Cook here. Oh.
No. Hello. Look. Girl, upgrade. Everything I'm going for me. Yeah? Can't chat to me again. What you have to say about me now?
You see?
You this?
Y'all upgrade. So I'm to here. I'm to your clothes.
What are my clothes?
How you not do them there?
Because me a upgrade little by little, day by day. As you this me yesterday, me make a change. If you said this me 20 again, me gonna make a change.
Better if you did make a rearrange, cause you did try but it not really work. Me I tell you, you not looking at the glass.
So, me looking at the glass every day.
Remember say when you tell me say, me I go break up in and left, you know, you tell me say I
Me
get
never
hotter.
tell you that. And as me said before, I'm gonna say it again. You see, me no say we left, we don't left. You understand?
You never tell me say hotter, you get
Me
hotter.
never signed that on paper. Let me tell you that.
Look how you look. Come see back your nails.
See my nails here.
No, your the thumbs are hide, so come see your nails. Come see. Could they?
Listen to me, and me pay for them is not you.
So nine
Me
of them
tell
I
you,
do.
say, give it, it pop off, it pop off, it pop off.
So your big finger and try.
No.
You know what you look like?
What me look like?
Mask it up and bite back and take back shot.
That leaves me back shotable.
Where?
Look how my body big. Me no back shotable.
Where?
Some mosquito can't take back shot, you know. At least it's a mosquito you can't take back shot.
Right now your head bigger than your body. Like me tell, right now your big finger bigger than your body. So listen to me. So when you get a real makeover, you go and check me here.
Where you go? No, don't talk to you.
How are you that? Where I say?
I finish talking, you don't do that.
Where I say?
Come back right here, sir.
Me a here.
No, you don't look like you're here.
Loud and clear.
So, the money where you give me, you not better give me. What?
What could have caused this? You don't tell me what you say, your ex take care of you good.
Listen
Not
to
your
me.
ex. Yeah, your man
Yes,
with
if
the...
I want you back, I can get you back. You don't decide that. Me the already deciding here.
Take me back.
You talking to you. When me talk to you, looking at my face, looking at me eye them.
Now me back you say what? You know I'm back
Me
again.
turn around and say, I want you back. You back? You may a chat, you.
You have to try way more. You have to put in a little Brazilian or Brazil. What hear the name? Brazilian. Here in your
You pay
here.
for the hair?
I saw you if you had to some more my girl look.
Alright, you see tomorrow? You go see how girl look like Dolly.
Yeah.
You can't go chat to me tomorrow.
Once you know what?
All the nails I'm gonna transform. See, everything I got different.
And
You
then
come
nails
with a
alone.
bigger ass,
And then
stiffer titty, smaller waist, no worries, so you go see me tomorrow.
smaller waist, little face.
Yes.
And listen to me, I have to dress well too. Someone saying I want tongue. Come and say tongue turn me on. Notice tongue, right? Z string, catapult, tongue. Tongue is what turn me on, girl. So if you ain't a big,
So, oh, you go see me tongue?
bingo, eh?
You go have on clothes.
Me can see through clothes.
Oh, you have to see through your eye.
So don't worry about that. Listen to me. Check me back when you look right and sitting down. Yeah, hold long me thing when you look their way. I me can't take it hold long thing. You see me? Right now uplift one uplift in life. You see it? 2026, I go to 2027, you know.
But you didn't know, so most of the woman them, every day they change hairstyle. Me like, every day, me mean, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, change nails and dolly down every day with something different. Look good, look like them as somebody else, you know, say them man do it. You didn't know?
Them what? So me not have to do it. Them man can do it and me do what me if do. See it?
Or me go upgrade for you tomorrow. Tomorrow we talk.
Why?
How you do done this, so?
Are you me a come for?
Me?
Me mama call and say me a come out here.
Oh,
Alright, did you carry the money?
yeah.
I me the call about money.
No, you can't dip so fast.
No,
You
sir.
can't dip so fast.
Remember makeup on the crime.
But I mean, I have to share it first.
Anyways, we go share the money.
Alright, so come on.
Anyways, me have something to tell you before me go over this. So.
Mm-hmm.
You know, say, me dey see the dirty boy over there, so come on and start, boy. If him not get back his money, we are gonna feel something I don't know what I talk about.
So,
You didn't know?
no, me just,
You look like him a look things to slap in my face. I look round. But anyways, go and share the money.
okay, come.
No, look.
Watch ya. What to me money say me I look for how long? Girl, remember give me girl. Give me what I offer, give me money about the argument
You
and
again?
talking. Me again, give me money.
You again?
Give me my money. Because every dollar in it. Only you say this. Because every dollar in it. See, look at not to touch basket. Still left on it.
Check good.
Still last it off. So that man can grow in your pocket, mass.
Hey,
Listen
that
me out.
drunk crow. Check in her bag.
How you do all that?
Hey,
Go?
that.
I'm
You
not
there for
going
your
for.
own.
Girl, how you do all that, girl? I think you think money for me. Ah, look with your money too. Get back my dinner. Put it down. Put it down. What you do? What you do? Go also. Lift up out of the people in my yard. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up. What thing? What am I supposed to? So now, yeah, that's it.
That's all the good for. That's all the good for. Run from man to man, or will not come from, I don't know, not come from a thief. You go teach somebody. And what you gonna do?
Me look like thief to you, sir.
Fight, you go fight our people.
Me look like thief.
You see, oh no. Why you hate your sister? Why you hate your sister? Your sister is so innocent. And you are the bad apple.
And so what? At least your mother believe me.
Oh, so at least your mother believe you, right?
Yes.
So that's why you dey take advantage of your sister.
You come here like her too.
Our car she pretend are you? And she gonna be the next Portia Sinsemilla Prime Minister of Jamaica.
Which part on her?
In the next 5 years from now, she gonna be the youngest Prime Minister of this country.
How much again? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That day shall come.
Oh, yeah, that day shall come. You see you pull a stunt the last night, too, you know.
Okay.
You drop towel, like you feel like say, dropping towel can catch me.
It can't drop by itself.
Drop by, how?
It drop by itself.
By you come so, pew, and talk about, oops.
Stop tell lie for me. I was one told so, and me don't know where it drop, but me that will trouble so.
Where they look. Cause when girl do that, something never beg. What were you looking? Money?
Nobody a look nothing. But anyways, as I talk about money, you know, you're mad in something though. You're mad in something though.
Yeah. You know, you
I'm
blind.
a stepfather. Give me your money. I'm gonna buy something.
Me if you get money.
Give me a stepdaughter.
Half a year in cheat your
Give me
sister.
a $200 US.
And me if you get $200.
Yeah.
Yes.
Half a year.
Me here, yo. Imagine, mommy, man.
Mr. Stepfather, give me a $200.
No, you want tax me, no?
You chat too much, girl. Where come here so far?
You know, catch him from
I
the
never
pine
got
block
what
because she attacks me. She attacks me.
Oh.
No business with that. Anyway, you only feel live good. Look for your sister. Why you hate your sister? It's what?
Man.
You are your sister, you know. Should have built a...
Because you're bad now, so if I look better. Take it
Yeah,
off.
Jai.
Take it off.
Yeah, Jai, that mine, look, girl. You want to lick me in the face so tight now?
No, listen what me I try to show you, say.
I feel like you can bread on people.
You have to live like... Hello,
Yeah,
hello.
don't touch me. Don't touch me.
When adults talk to you,
Me know what you want to stump side very much, this, you know.
Don't tell you,
You know me for your man,
hello.
and you're the biggest germs.
Oi. Relax on the nerves. Right? Relax on the nerves. Uno a sister. Uno feel live like a...
Me and your sister.
Your jacket.
And so I praise the Lord, right, girl. And that's why mommy not like me. I'm in a business.
Yes, and that's actually like me. Oh my God.
Oh.
I feel like something wrong there, so. It's one
She never like you for long though, and she find out all the truths.
Well, me at 18, she found out all she have to cost me.
She want to run out to you.
And so what? I can go to my man yard.
Me a business, she's so run out you.
And I can go to my man yard.
I disgrace you.
And I can go to my man yard.
Yeah.
that's all you're good for.
Listen, shut up. Make life easier for me, because right now I'm confused. You go about your business. Now follow the road where she go. You go back so.
Yeah.
Because I know one hand go lick down one hand if two hand go so. So you go so.
Alright.
And see your sister alone, because
Go from your girl.
you're too jealous of your sister for no reason.
What's here now? Hold the man here.
Remember, IT? Oh, you talk to what would man?
No, I like a tattoo. That's why I ask. We can be friends.
Sound better.
Can be friends.
What kind of friends?
Just friends. Anyways, you have a woman?
Friends with benefit?
You have a woman?
No?
You sure?
They want mad girl chat to her day, me not talk to her again.
I'm a girl.
Your head not too right it.
What that?
So rough.
Your head come.
Come and go. See how
Go.
deal with it.
Not really deal with it. That's why me talk chat to it.
It's rough for you.
Why you could stand about me personal life for?
No, because me can be friends with me ask you, have a woman.
I mean, I say if it's friends with benefit,
Anything you want it.
that sound better.
Mm-hmm.
Friends without no benefit don't make no sense.
I will put the rule there.
Me,
You put the rule
myself,
there?
and the creator.
Anyways, give me a number and come and have my phone. I want to take my own.
Give me number cause you know your phone.
I want to take my own.
It sound better. It's a number in here, so. I can cook.
I forgot to tell you something about that now. I love my bill. That's the only problem you have with me.
Wrong moment, wrong time right now, okay? I'm in the middle of a siege problem right now, okay? Okay.
Anyways, as me say, me can't cook, but me love my bill.
My man, you tell like yourself.
Oh!
Jesus Christ, I'm a girl this, yes, you have? I'm a girl this.
What you do yourself?
You look on her and see it.
What you do yourself?
Are you a woman?
Me say what you
Are
do
you a
yourself?
Are you a woman?
No. How could you say that?
Yeah.
Come here, come here, come here,
Let go
come here,
off of
come
me.
here.
Let go off
You're
of me.
too close, stand right there.
Let go off of me. Anyways, are you a woman?
I'm gonna just answer you.
So she
Me and
has
you,
supper.
At first, me I see you.
My
Just
God.
go down your road. Down your road.
Go on your road. Gotcha.
Go on your road. You know who did authorize you and tell you, hey, you can't go look at that woman.
So you say you're a fool, man. It's a big gun girl that comes and can't run with a little nice, decent, flat belly girl. What can I stand upon?
Them love the big belly girl. Cause me never know, so me the take man and my belly, them a go.
Yo, you know, see I prove up my life to rat right now.
Yeah, prove mine too.
What me do? You can't leave me alone.
No. Me tell you, said the day when me left is the day when I go 6'6". Me dedicated to you, dedicated to. It's when me say we left.
So,
All I when me dead, me a come back for it.
so every flesh when me see,
Yes.
I'm try if you get in, you go disturb.
Yes. And if you go take the girl, me and you are go for the girl. We are sleep with the girl together.
So you walk around with your Blue Mountain Peak belly, just to try to stop my show them.
You must say, belly, you have enough.
Yo, listen to me.
Don't put on.
Yo,
Try that again.
don't make me go back like how we used
Me
to
say,
live.
try that
Please,
again.
that's a make sure
Go
I'm
back
avoid you.
there. You want me to go back there?
Make
You want me to
we go
take us back there?
to how we used to live.
Carry me back there.
All right.
Me a talk to you. Turn up right so. You're not a manners.
See, you
You're
try
too
to
out of order. When you look at that in our bed, none about the dirty foot thinking about girl. There's a chat here, you touch what this and like you're somebody.
try to
You're
test my
somebody.
faith every minute, you know.
test my faith every
Here.
second.
Yeah, try to test my feet. Listen to me. I will kill you. I don't want to kill you after like first time. You hear me? So listen to me. Listen.
You see how the evening nice and cool? Same, so me want everybody head nice and cool. Me no want the arguing. Can it look bad? It look bad out the road. And everybody a look at me as a bad mother. And me I try. Them not see when me I try, we don't know. All they want to say is see and judge. And then they don't know the trouble as a mother I forgot through. So me no want no war business here.
You next.
I'm a talk, mommy.
You next, little girl.
You know me from nowhere. You know me from nowhere.
I'm for a thief.
Yes, finally, mommy.
I got one thief for the
This is the man.
You don't know me from nowhere.
Wait. What did you hold on panorama? Me come up.
Sir, you're sure the case, yes,
Yes, you see. Now you see, sir.
Yes.
Alright. Hold on.
What chat you have with me picnic?
Other day, me
And
come about my
threat.
business and them come check me about some little business. Say they want to sell me a little piece. So I bring
Who
this
that?
one. So I bring this one.
What, this one?
No, this one.
Mommy.
I must see this one, cause this one is, hey.
She, Abby. See, they see proof there. See.
Yeah, man, it's a
See,
black
man,
tick
there.
friend too. Say me she hold on upon the bag, cause you know one the bag nasty. I'm saying, you know what, I choke, I think I'm very nasty. You know, thing got to work already. So me give him to as me give him for and come back walk in a bush. Run girl, me ultimately grab one pan she he take one run girl with my bag. Oh yeah, look for.
Hold on. And are you in the
You, Jada.
No.
Are you in the picture?
Out
Yeah,
of
we
yard,
see.
and you. I lie.
She, mommy.
Girl, stop telling for me. Looking at your face, you know, no ramp with
Why don't tell her for me either? Cause I'm mercy.
You are the liar that tried kidnap my daughter.
me never did a kidnap.
Listen, if
Because
she friend about try to thief my money, with the whole and
yes, you're the wrong one, a wrong information. And in the picture, and you are whole the bad daughter in the picture. Don't mistaken identity, the picnic. Don't mistaken identity.
Listen, and you will learn. Talk to your mother now.
Abby, Jada di come on a yard and say how one man will and pana. Me run come out here come help her.
Them are using
So how picture there? Me believe the picture. You me see in the picture. You in the picture. Hold my daughter hand. So she thief you.
You need something next black one.
Me don't know what you're talking about.
Our friend Jada.
Thief, I pass and see about
Jada, they not know hospital. Mommy talked to her last night.
Well, some part time must be broken. The last time you saying in the hospital, he must come out.
Well, me talked to her last night. She well okay.
And what happened to she? And what happened to she?
Let me tell you something. Me know in the argument, you know.
Like argument,
because my daughter here is 18, so she a big woman.
Yeah.
I mean, no, say she a the bad one, and as she me see in the picture, you a hold her hand.
Me tell you already.
In a bush. In a bush.
You need glasses.
I mean, you see,
Need glasses.
don't need no glasses.
Tell her say you
Well, you have the picture.
Are you
You have the picture. Cause her hand me see.
Look, mommy, look.
You feel your face
Mommy,
and
look.
I know you
Look,
that.
mommy.
I know you that. With your hand on my daughter, although me shame for say my daughter. So what is in the dark have to come in at the light?
No. Not like that. Not like that.
Me don't know him.
You don't know him?
Sir, look here, sir. You know me?
Listen,
The first time you ever see me when we are walk company road.
And you are going to sell him first. And you are going to give him for free.
Me don't know him. Me never give him nothing.
She the one sell more like a piece.
Me, and I mean like evidence.
No, she not the evidence.
It's picture. Remember the picture can't tell lie, you know. You will see what in a picture and that, you know.
Oh, but man tell lie more.
Man
In
tell
a
lie,
church,
yes.
them teach you on pulpit loud and proud. Said, don't believe man. Exactly. Okay, we are Delilah, but you
Mommy
see,
was I would look for a man like you.
my daughter have tears.
And the man there like.
And she a big woman. And me sorry, where you proof there?
Proof there?
Where you proof there? When you go court or police station, you have to go proof, you know. Cause here say can't go court.
But that
me see fear proof and
That's
fear
not good
proof.
enough proof, mommy. Me
Listen,
done
man.
tell you already.
Remember say you can't get sentenced up without DNA test, you know.
Eh?
So one time I want to take a look at swab, so I never got there. I never got there, none of them. Who know we see who tell lie from who not tell lie. Then,
Mommy,
he last tooth come
Mommy.
out.
mommy, me I go here.
Alright, cause we can see him a perplex you.
Perplex.
So you make Abby gone. And now she in this.
Because you and him in the
I
picture.
don't know the man do not know me, even know me name. Me don't know the man.
Let me tell you something.
Tell what?
You better control your thing.
No.
Cause from what me can see,
When they-
you are rape people in our picnic. Eh? And where you grab her hand and drag her go. Me will go station for you know.
You go on.
Me will go station because that the picture.
They have money.
The money and you have to go have the money and you have to go have the money cause by the time me done with you, eh? What big ugly dry foot man I do with you? Hey, I grab girl hand. All you two, eh?
I don't mean. I don't.
All you two.
I don't mean.
I don't you. You
don't
see how
mean,
the good
Abby.
Lord work. Make me come meet the vagabond man.
Abby man.
If I Abby man, he would have know her.
He know her.
How can Abby man? How Abby gone down and we did a go up?
You make sugar.
We can't deal with your complication, you know.
I don't
Me
mean.
go follow and see if she go. Cause she, me deal with you. Come.
glad to see you. I'm glad to see you. And something to tell when you really are walk a look fine, but I'm glad to see you. But yeah, something to tell me see you.
You know, Chicken?
No, yeah, I'm going to go on business. Come to see you.
You tell somebody else.
Come up the road, just see me come walk. I mean, something to tell you.
You never seen me so much of football.
Anyway, in the last time, I was something I'm pregnant.
You can't hear that baby voice because when you beg me money and things, your voice louder than that.
I'm a chat now. The last time we did something, I'm pregnant.
Pregnant.
Yeah, breathe.
So easy.
No. But anyway, I want 300,000 cash towel. What? 300,000.
No, me breathing.
Oh then. Oh then.
Mad. You can't say what's in the contact one and breathe. Yeah.
Get your piece now work.
What is this a popo again there? I was spread for my father creator. What happened?
She did trail you.
How you up on me?
Tracker.
Me didn't know.
Your earpiece now work.
Wow.
You don't go find it, so nobody look. I'm going to tell you, man.
How much time?
Say something.
Tell us if you tell people say me there.
They don't want you there.
Yo, you know, see you not listen?
Don't make.
You not listen.
I will turn off the bike, you know.
Yo, look up on you. Me tell us if you upgrade yourself. What can I upgrade this year? Look where you're in a printer. How can I printer too?
Yes, we are shorts like
I'm not talking to you.
We're
I'm
shorts
not talking
like
to you. So you see him talking to me, don't but him.
Okay, remember money 300,000.
What 300,000? They put on 300,000?
Hello.
Anyway, you catch a belly, you can't belly go back there.
Hello.
You what? You do what? You do what?
No, I just me there scam him.
Yo, me tell us if you
But they are
upgrade
scamming.
yourself. You
I don't time for me upgrade yet.
You hear what me say? That's why you now look better. You put on printer. What kind of printer? Bone printer. Me now see for
Hello.
Look
Look at your upcoming baby.
that one of my pitney.
Hey!
Anybody my pitney that you want me to that look colorful like my skin. And I'm a breeder.
Are you baby father this?
You're mad.
Mommy?
Are you baby father this?
Mommy.
You forgot mine it? You forgot mine the grand pick dinner?
Could never.
Mommy,
Anybody
hear
my
me?
pitney? Or vomit.
And you should come to the money.
Mommy?
I have something to tell you. I don't know, the baby father. It's your man we have up a yard. Yes.
How you like your Guinness? Cold or hot?
Me no want to
Yeah, you can chat. Son.
shut your mouth.
You're going to leave her for she talk. How long till you make she get back talk?
Oi. Stop
You
saying
know.
When me always
I know your time yet. Wait.
always gone. She ever go beard, and when she got beard, she beard and then she come out back and then she got beard again. But before she got beard again, I'm hearing at the houses.
What's it that you
Where you
like
proof?
taxi?
Where you proof? How you pregnant? Where you proof? Where you proof?
What me prove?
Where you proof? I like, but you pregnant for real? Cause you know so me work with proof. Me not follow you and you liar.
Brilliant. I can set me up and trick
So
me.
where you
But
come
now
back
go work.
on here stuff and talk to mommy.
Abby, come here, little. Abby, come here. I feel weak.
Mommy, me
Abby, come here.
I am not here.
No,
Me
come
not
here.
tell you. I
No,
am listening.
come here. No, come show me the AI. Cause this AI.
Mommy, I shoot. Look at your favorite. Excuse me. Look at your favorite.
What?
Yes. The favorite gone.
He going in the room. He going in the room with him. He going in the room with him. We didn't tell him. Hey.
You know. You wanna come chill, me not come talk about chaka. Me tell you to upgrade yourself. As I'm saying.
Calm down.
Look where you put on.
Jesus Christ. No, sir. No, sir. Me can't manage.
Go and help lady and
Me
shut
can't
up.
manage.
Me tell you.
Me God, I'm sorry. Me can't manage. Oh, what? I shaved it. Oh.
Mommy, be not telling you and listen to me.
Michaela, oh, you forgive me. Oh, you still touch me. I'm so sorry. How we used to treat you.
Lean up off my bike. We did
Oh God. Oh God. So
Take
true.
me off it. Take me off
The
it.
man, the dry foot man.
Yeah. Everything actually.
I be the whole time.
I be one.
Get up off of my bike.
Man, me pit it over.
You can't ever forgive me. Oh God.
Up with me.
I'm so
Look for your head.
sorry.
We could have upgraded yourself. Look for your head. Like hills of the valley. Yes, I won't forget me. You could have upgraded yourself. Look for your head. Hills of the valley. Pay
Yes, guys, tell me how the new movie they look. Tell me what, alright, now give the viewers them their choice of selecting a movie name, their choice of selecting what they want to see in the movie, or no, comment, make sure you go back to the movie and comment again and tell me what you want to see. I may definitely do the story because I may do story of a reality. I don't want to do story of a makeup. So just tell me what you want to see in the movie and I will definitely get it done. But since I don't reach the end of the movie, we are talking about the chip. We did have the first two at the front. Now we have one more at the back. D'Anja, yeah. So we think she deserves to go up on the chip. So if anybody out there want to sponsor she as well, link me with the same number at the front and see it again. The number there right here. So we have to tell the people them once more.
So yeah, guys, I would really appreciate your sponsor. If you guys want to sponsor me to go on the Panama trip for December, it would be my first time traveling to Panama. First time leaving Jamaica. So I would really appreciate your offer, guys. Thank you.
And please, guys, if you can make them dream come true, because you see, when we are trying to do, you know, everybody deserve to know how it feels to leave the island. But I know everybody we can carry, especially if they cannot act. Because I'm not going to waste time, take nobody we can act. Because they had 2 months to prove their acting skill. But in the meantime, if you want to help them, you can help them. And then when the time comes, then I am going to choose who deserves to go. And I will know by the end of July. Amen.